Edge League.
Morning, guys. Blessed Monday. Yo, bro, you can hear me?
I can hear them. I can hear them.
Easy. Yeah.
You see that?
Something, man. Fanaz, I'm just about to tell you something, man. Come on, boy. That drop from Fredo, boy.
That's one cruelest kind of little see. Cause what happen is it went down right and you see the gap, it went straight through that gap that get mad right, man.
Yeah. This ain't being interesting for sure, boy. Cool.
Yeah. You ain't got no news.
It's gonna be interesting. Yeah. They mark on me. I'm sorry.
Trump gave me 48 hours to open back
Yeah.
for her. So
I hear that.
within 48 hours, I ain't strafing, reopen.
Bombing, boys.
Yeah.
Where the text was
Looking for oil and well, not oil, gold to bounce back though, but
yeah. That's like 30 candles, very small candle, boy.
Yeah.
All right. But the strategy play out perfect for it up on that, boy. Lord. Let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I want to know what that boy you come from to move out here. What happened in the market? I know it's some type of news. Trump says something. Yeah, at 7:05. I wonder what Trump says. Some boy says something, but that is a serious move here, boy.
All right, you're looking at bright structure this here. Retest. Boy.
Not using. You thinking we can fill that gap, Lord? I create that big gap.
I was gonna trade like that after you see it to work, but then I remember the time when the market went from a bull around, right? We went to trade gaps. And the market just push and went up, push and went up, push and went. When we say, yeah, that gap go get filled, that gap go get filled. You remember that there?
Yeah.
The late last year, man.
Yeah, I know you're talking about. Yeah, well, I will go. I can trade YC for sure. But I guess thinking about it can drop because of that gap.
I feel so too, but I don't want to base my thesis off of it.
Yeah, for sure.
Real thing. Cause if I end up on how I feel, I'll be gambling. So I gotta see the bear and retest. And once I see bear and retest and pull the trigger, despite how I feel.
Sure.
You know what I mean?
Strategy, well, yeah. Crazy strategy.
It's strategy. So
definitely.
How I feel over the equation, man. I learned that from you, believe it or not, big man. I had things where I tell myself, yo, this market blatantly going on, trying to see taking a bully off a strategy. I said, nah, boy, this market gonna be going down.
Yeah.
But you actually play out, big man. So I learned that from you, too. You
strategy, what? Yeah.
Blind faith in strategy, boy. Blind faith in strategy here.
Yeah, I think. Oh, you can see right that price like it want to go down sometimes, but your strategy might say, boy. But because it's strategy, you know, I ain't gonna go with it. I don't trust it 100%. So,
yeah, boy. That's how I learn that. Cause normally I tell myself, yo, boy, this market gotta get down, boy, but you what gotta feel that gap, fair value gap, big ignorant. Nah, boy,
yeah.
strategy simply a buddy.
Real one. It's dead, boy. I ain't not reading.
Yeah, I hear 6 feet more than that. This is not me being here first.
Gotta go make a special effort to come here and know, boy.
Yeah, cause you want what happened is too, right? You want get in earlier too with this life thing. And I tell you what, you want that when the rare person come on no looking for a live session not trading, you want that yours be popping up because you on before the rest. You get what I mean? All that let us be strategy too. Cause people be like, yo, alright, try these who on man, these resumes playing games. They gotta see what you get what I mean? Then they can get accustomed to being inside there and build a community that way.
Sure, boy. It's gonna start something, yeah, see what they say.
Yeah. Like from a weekend, you could still come on and do
no session.
But come on, I do little market review or bot testing or something that will still engage a crowd that
Mm-hmm.
preparing for market learning. You get what
For
I
sure.
mean?
Yeah, I get you for sure. That's the plan. For sure. That is the plan.
You going to a sleeping factory. We use a sleeping factory. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So you go to
Right,
exact
man.
places and grow your business.
After morning. After me exact places. Oh, nice. I wonder if there's a way you can put your P&L on the screen. You see people do that, but I'm not find the pixels below
You could probably you're gonna probably use a another app or something. So
that. Hang on,
like
search it.
you're gonna be when I say another app, like you're gonna be trading. See how people is trade life. Find out people is
Mm,
trading taking on computer like find another
yeah.
instead of trading view. People has got some other thing. I can't remember. I used to use it too, but when you buy and sell, you could see you P&L.
Mm.
You
Let
could
me
see
just like
everything.
identify is trade locker, you think, trade locker?
Trade locker or C locker. Trade locker. I'm more sure trade
Trade
locker.
locker or C trader, yeah. One or two.
C trade
C
or C
trader is
trader.
do
Yeah,
it too. Yeah.
right. But I can't testify for the legitimacy of them things. So
Mm.
it's right when you find a demo account from one of them, but to put you real money in there and not know if you can receive it back, you'll go at least deposit a little $20.
Yeah, they think legit,
But
man. Trade locker
once
and
it
them legit for sure. C trader.
yeah, once it legit, it will be able to show
Yeah.
what you doing.
Select new file.
Just don't get a break of this thing. Just treat it with strategy, man. Whatever your strategy to do, like do it.
The reason we work on complicate things too sometimes.
Yeah,
You got a strategy and then we want to go against it sometimes. But it's happened though. Happened.
yeah, man. It's just called try to eliminate that.
Yeah. Trading simple and not just support and resistance. Get on a retest. Confirmation counter and to put your stops previous level. You're good to go.
Yeah, boy, but be right, impatient. I just want
Yeah. Yeah. I would chat. This is very important. But Already doing it. So, oh my, yeah, explain me what happened.
We had a week or two. I told you yesterday we had a week or two left in the war. I was wrong. We have a day or two left in the war. Trump announced this morning he plans to halt all future attacks on Iran. This is great news. And look, the market is pumping on the news. Market loves that the war is over. Is it a coincidence that it comes right at when we were down about 10% from all-time highs, which is about where we usually see a drawdown every single year in U.S. indices? But I kept the comments, I kept the receipts for you motherfuckers yesterday that were like, we're not close to an end game on my post yesterday where I called it. Or how about this guy? You're wrong.
Huh?
No,
You're alive.
Yeah, I live. Wait, I want it to hear this here, too.
fucker dick.
Don't forget about copyright infringement.
I told you yesterday.
That's true. That's true, man.
Yeah, you can't play over certain things.
Yeah, but without yet, that home for sure.
Yeah.
Because it's got a few enemies that shooting video too when you're uploading it officially.
For any copyright material.
Yeah, I ain't gonna look at that for you.
That way when certain men leave, they can't play certain songs and
Yeah, for sure, boy.
it's a weird jump, yeah. So the whole war in Iran.
Yeah. I'm gonna watch the full thing. Listen to the full thing. Wait,
I mean,
the song so.
straight.
Huh?
I mean, I'm probably open up straight to Hormuz.
Oh god, check the know. Saying so though. Gotta be saying so.
All these men getting boy, gotta find a good news outlet, big man. Cause these men should be getting this kind of news before me.
That 2 hours ago though. Like he posted that video.
Yeah, he get information.
Yep. You think Trump posted it too?
And through social.
I think so. Cause he reading off of the post, Trump post.
I need to start doing that in the morning though. And I checking news, I checking through social. Especially in times like these here.
Definitely one. Yeah, and the whole thing.
Yeah. So we want to see what you're doing at these hoodies here.
I'm gonna see cool yeah go so in the middle of nowhere. Moving tax and off way too.
Yeah, but not as far as nuts.
Nah, boy, them Nas not boy Adams. Moving up. I mean Nas not but 700 I think it's boy.
10 or cool. So, same fit. Watching it in the tree hook. He had those in bits.
We love trading, boy. Just need one good trade, boy. You will make more money on people in a week, boy.
Yeah, that's new one, man.
One good trade.
Right on the right now in a place where Nas could just burst through the top.
Yeah.
If you rest CD.
You break out, retest, and then give me a go off in here. What?
Right, what he's saying is I don't know if we can get the ink trip on Nas.
Yeah.
Cause I don't feel that this game can walk down to bang back over the top.
Yep.
I feel this it's going straight over the 17 candle. To make that like white push. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see me breaking and retesting and then going back over there.
Yeah.
Going like it might do the same thing too if it break this way. So just gonna wait and see if I get ink tree today, man.
There's Monday too, so you can see it for sure.
Yeah.
Let's see. It's candle, boy. It's 705 candle.
Yeah, that was a nice.
Hit class, boy. 837 pips. Jeez, man.
30 candle, boy. I knew last day see a candle like that, to be honest.
Everything.
So I knew
What happened too often?
Oh, that's a beautiful candle, boy. It's actually can't see this candle, big one. It's a beautiful candle.
Now one it was boy, I wish it could be in boy.
Well, that one it was with just one candle can make you whole week. You know, sometimes you just want 3 candles in a push. Nah, boy, 1 candle. Imagine you pay $1,000 and get 2 of them candles, big man. Then 3 or 4 months.
Like my boy.
Yeah.
My internet dropping away, you know, it's time to.
You get your weekend?
Yeah, I got my down. But the OBS, just drop on in, connect back there, so.
Well, that's a floor problem then.
Yeah, it feels so, but internet running real slow, boy. See what you got here. Check about gold here.
Thing is ready to open a gold candle even and go with 925 candle.
Nah,
Alright. That you would have had a indication that you that look good here. Then so now
there might just be a dead here, boy. So what time, man?
you got nothing, man. Even 10 o'clock yet. It's ain't 10 o'clock no. We ain't even 10. You get what I mean? Market no up, man.
Roger Banks leave, man.
Like black man.
Roger Banks, nah. How's that? Like an alien man, like.
Yeah, but the copyright anything you just gotta like go through the terms of agreement, I think, and the rules, I think, and see exactly what it can and can't do. Just so it'll be protected over time. Because you don't want
Sure.
you come get certain following and then to lose you get banned because of a mistake that you don't know about.
You take the video with the other techno for sure.
Yeah, you just don't wanna.
Something or something. Oh.
Look at here, no top stories. Trump has hardly straight by Iran for 5 days after very good toss. Oh my god. You don't ever know this president, big man. You just don't know. I think, but y'all start doing. Come on, at least 2 hours before your market hits. You know, I just read.
I look. Yeah, boy. Fundamental traders winning now.
Yeah, these men is know what they're doing to it on. These men know
Yeah, for
that
sure.
when there's certain things how the market can react. So these men got positions down place for when they getting I thought that how these men become trillionaires we're going
Inside the trading, man.
inside the trading.
I thought what he said.
Yeah. Byron Trump and Junior and then that man back in placing money. You know how much money that man had? He made off of that. And other markets going up too.
I mean,
You know, if you follow the kind of truck, you know, tell you, all right, here we go. Market, again, I thought no. Market ain't got all in. All in plan loans. Everything wanna go all in plan loans.
all them pounds. He's only got a split second too. Honestly, or be him up, boy.
Yeah. The furthest one, if he's them, Frank tell you want to tell me all in plan loans. I gotta place my positions, tell me get out in room to talk.
Better wait, see anything.
Yeah, cause I wanna be at the very bottom of your loan. You get what I mean?
All right.
Yeah. I got a max leverage plan loan. Getting out of trade. Yo. He won't see another trade till he tell me talking again.
Yeah. You're right, boy.
Yeah. You know my millions of dollars, yeah. If I want Canada.
Easiest way to do.
Yeah.
Simple, man. And no effort needed.
No effort at all. Can you imagine that? Inside the trading, boy.
Never get cash much. Expense and time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that way all them law people and then people Congress and them kind of people that hold them is net their money. But certain laws just protect them, man. But if that was a everyday Joe, I'm a retail trader that. Yeah, just
That's
here
what I
and
love
there.
insight. Yeah.
Yeah. Not even a retail trader, hedge fund manager, any all kind of other lower class traders compared to the big
Sure.
politicians. Yeah, they'll get our blowback. A big politician would get too, but never all get catch right-handed. You know, literally gonna get catch right-handed. And then got channels that is allow them to place trades by different accounts, different places around the world and all kind of Cayman Islands account. And people got things.
Yep.
I'm telling you, cause when you become a congressman, first thing you gonna set up, you safety net for insider trading that you know, alright, I can insider trade legally, and if not legally, without getting catch. They got 10 people.
They got so much different accounts, boy.
Now he's saying you got 10 people over and that place in a trade for you, and another thing somewhere else. Yeah.
Hmm.
Money getting wired through shell companies, all kind of foolishness, you man go. Enough of them is do call and put options too.
Yeah, for sure.
So you know exactly what's going on. be hard when you go look at gold, right? It's be hard when you got idea with the market going but ain't getting a clear entry signal to enter. It'd be hard. Anyway. But even if you look at Nas, right? Alright. Nas had more clearance that trade would go up than gold. Not that you ain't got like this. In this candle. Really long candle is what you talking about?
Yeah.
Right. You see the 650 in golf, the 645. Right? So you gotta tell yourself, alright, you know it's taking a bite there and playing my stock on it they get in golfing, I think the market can get. Then you get these two dotted candles and you get a little push. But you can never imagine to get a candle like this year off a boy like that.
And I mean,
You can never imagine that. Especially when you market then a downtrend. Can't imagine
right
that.
there we dump, boy.
Yeah. But last Friday, right, the market returned back to levels that met from your weekend. It ain't
Yeah.
return to weekend levels, right? So, as you said, I ain't really trusting this alone candle to hold over the week. So, even if your market got, let me say, above this and push, well, if strategy tell me buy, I buy. But anytime I see a sell, I can hold it longer because the inefficiency on here gotta get filled at some point in time, and I would just hope it get
Some
filled.
point, boy.
Yeah, I just hope it get filled before it hit my break even.
You gotta see how this week go.
Real thing, that's the best I could hope for this week. Yo, that's the bull that loose. The man said from what I read, the war hold for 5
Right.
years, so 5 years is a week.
We can know about it today and tomorrow.
Yeah, cause I don't feel
Trust.
people
Yeah.
can just run well because of here for they'll work on war.
Yeah. Trying to stick to your word, boy.
Yeah. I mean, people like Trump. Listen, you might
Yeah.
not agree, cause I don't agree with everything that he's done, whatever the case may be. But there's one thing everybody can agree upon. The man's a legend when it comes to this thing. You will never forget Donald Trump.
What?
The good, the ugly. You can't forget Donald Trump. Ever.
Can't forget it, boy.
Yeah. Man's like, what is because he's saying different. He's saying, the American people rate booty. He's saying that you never see before. You get what I mean? And America
Mad
like
man,
that.
boy.
Yeah, America like that, though. He's full America. So, I tell you, he's everything that you grew up thinking America is. Redneck Gunzo. Ready to fight on anything. Yeah, he's full America. And the Americans love that.
Yep. Don't know, man.
Compare to who he the running against, right? If we're in America, right, at a voting Trump too. You want
They run against the woman.
Yeah, cause let me be honest, right, Charlie? As I tell you the other day, right? They ain't really got no places in the world that got dominant nuclear powers that a woman is ruled.
Correct. That's trouble there. That's one of trouble, boy.
Yeah, cause one, you can still need something called respect, right? And if I can't want a president to negotiate with Vladimir Putin and P. Ching and Kim Jong Un, but war,
Yeah.
right? I don't want to be a woman. To be honest with you, I don't want to be a woman.
Thing.
I don't want to be a woman. Knowing that man, them men will believe that this woman inferior. Therefore, they can believe America inferior. Then you understand? Then she ain't gonna make you hard call. I don't feel she can make you hard call.
That I wanted it out, boy.
Yeah, big man. I know Donald Trump can make you hard call.
Sure.
So, hey, I would prefer. I would have voted for Trump too. I would vote for Trump. the only time I wouldn't have voted for Trump is if he'd running against Obama.
Obama. Yeah, he would have never been for sure.
Yeah, not that I like all of Obama policies and everything, so, but the way Obama used to carry himself and speak, and them is two different sides of a coin, right?
Yeah, opposite, boy.
Yeah, it's still like Trump. Still like Trump. Man. It's like Trump ever since. I feel like first man I see fire people on national television, big man. I just showing him the apprentice, big man. Man, you still gotta after like, he used to send them out to do a task. And who do the task
Yeah.
worse? And man used to bring them in boardroom and just fire them. Live on national television. So if you see that kind of ruthlessness from the jump with Trump, big man, I do not mind being president.
All right. Got a real power, boy.
But and he said anything because he knew he going to. That man is said anything, disrespect anybody.
It's still shot with IQ with that he got.
Hmm?
I mean, it's still shot with IQ with that.
Right. All right. Wait, you would talk. Listen, you would talk any later to this thing. You would talk any later to this thing, big man. You know, you know about Pearl Harbor?
Nah, I don't know.
All right, Pearl Harbor, no, right? All right. Well, let me. You know that Americans is the only country in the world to ever drop a nuclear bomb on another country.
Yeah.
All right, good. So Pearl Harbor noted is like getting on in the middle of World War II when Japanese the signal that them getting attacked American ship base that like in Hawaii, right?
Mhm.
The American destroyer ships and them kind of things. So
Yeah.
near Pearl Harbor. So Japanese man there with whatever 300 bombing planes and let them Pearl
Mhm.
Harbor crew, right? So what happened is after that the Americans dropped 2 nuclear bombs from Japan. Yeah.
The
2 nuclear
punch.
bombs. Yeah. 2 nuclear bombs, Charlie, not one. 2 nuclear bombs.
Mhm.
Right? Wiping out over 70. I can't remember the level of calamity, but a lot. Here I tell you. So after that, Japanese surrender very case maybe, but Pearl Harbor is one of them historic ones with enough Japanese dead enough Americans dead, right?
Mhm.
So the prime minister of Japan, which is a woman,
Yeah.
the Oval Office. So a Japanese reporter asked Trump, "What you didn't tell us that you were gonna invade Iran?" Trump, tell you, man, what you gonna tell me about Pearl Harbor? Right? Bear in mind the Japanese is who surprised the Americans because the Americans done in the war until Pearl Harbor, you know.
Uh-huh.
The Americans done in the war, that was a surprise attack upon America that Japan do. You get what I mean?
Blow it up, yeah.
Yeah, the boy tell America that this thing happening, this thing just happened. So I mean, my ask you what you want to tell me, and bear in mind this thing happened what let me say 80-some boy years ago.
Uh-huh.
So now like 100 years, I mean, so people still living from Pearl Harbor. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Billions, millions dead from both sides. Like my make a joke with that man. What you gonna tell me about Pearl Harbor? Like, like just so big man.
Yes,
Just
sir.
freeze the room, big man. Just freeze the room. People can't believe like my brand Pearl Harbor.
That is crazy.
People could not believe that in that place, like my brand Pearl Harbor. That like you saying that like you win the war. You win the war against Hitler, and Hitler live, and he inside the let me say the Oval Office, and you bring up Nazi Germany. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, you bring
Boy,
up
boy.
something. You bring you know what boy against boost. Like, that way say I don't feel you ain't get entry. You bring up something that you know that shouldn't even be thought about. Should be cringy to talk about. So that's the
Uh-huh.
American people in Trump.
Yeah, Trump boy for sure, boy. Trying to make sure to protect all America by all means.
I said, wait, we ain't tell you about Iran. We ain't tell you about Pearl Harbor. We
Say
gonna
that,
do Pearl
boy.
Harbor. What's a
I like watching these speeches and thing, bro.
yeah? You want to say it was a surprise? You want to say the boy don't know more about surprises than Japanese? What you gonna tell you about Pearl Harbor?
I really this time, boy.
Yeah, that's crazy specific, man. Like that's not you think talk about Pearl Harbor.
Okay.
What? Yeah, and you man could do it because you man don't listen. That's the most powerful man in earth. You know what I'm saying? And like them could attack me. Cause if they attack me, you know it's bigger nuclear bombs. America's the only country in the world.
Yeah, you know what he got in his arsenal, man.
Okay, I go nuclear football.
That's a lot of people a day.
A lot. Charlie, honestly, right? I don't feel we in Barbados part of it is right because survive a nuclear war between America and Russia.
Nah, boy. Oh, that radiation attack can't cross. I kill all you boy.
Cause if you look at how close we is to America, right? We closer to
Mm.
America than we is to Canada.
Yeah.
You understand? Mexico is the closest to we than America when it comes to
Do you
land
think Canada
boundaries.
is 4 hour flight?
Canada
Can't
further than
remember.
America.
Yeah, can't remember. Always.
Yeah, Canada further than America. So what he's saying is if we man bomb the edge of America, like Mexico side, or even like middle couple things, big man, that radiation not coming out to be, and the debris, yeah, big man. And you know, we in a chain, and we like at the bottom of the chain too.
Yeah.
Like we island. So we island is like we islands in the chain. We island is like furthest away from America, other than Guyana. So it's like
Yeah.
yeah, it's like that kind of debris and that kind of impact, big man, and one nuclear missile launch lopsidedly. You get what I mean?
Yeah, we gone, boy. That's
Thank you, big man. No, it's not a good thing to be wrong. Like nuclear talk.
I just wonder how these men is knowing them in your word, huh? Cause they never test it.
America, that's it.
That's true. That's true, boy. And then that's a small portion.
Yeah, and that was a plane bomb.
Hmm.
The bomb then dropped on Nagasaki and Hiroshima. Them get dropped from planes.
Yeah, boy. You ain't getting that today, for sure. But now it's 13 more getting.
Yeah, no,
We're in 30 opening, retest. We get engulfed in Canada. Retest it, engulfed in Canada. I know you're going.
yeah, we ain't got the clean entry to do. So I know how this market will boom here. Look, this is hurt me.
Well, I can see it.
It's hurt me every single thing, boy.
Go back to the previous side too. Back goes back in your boss. That's why I retest, you know. I love the feeling and take a trip here. And then I talk cool though. See what happened tomorrow.
Yeah, I don't feel like getting in either.
Now it's
Yeah,
one. So,
yeah, this thing could be blazing. The thing is, anything could happen here. Cause like no bright hilly. Anything can happen here. I don't want to be allowed.
I'm gonna edit that video with the wings. I'm afraid of
Bring it. Yeah, boy. It man sent crying over spilled milk, boy. Ooh, boy, it man sent crying over spilled milk.
Yep.
No way gonna realize too. I'm gonna actually feel either side it go the market can move for you at some point in time. It can't always be any market. Right?
Yeah, sure. Can't always be more. You can't always be right. You can't catch every move.
It can't catch every move. So once you can tap away the emotions from their feelings, trading become easy. Can't always be market. Can't catch every move. Market go run. I wanna we know bracket how you do. Last time we brought that high market pull back.
Yep.
I think what the great bull around the right is can never get any bottom right, you know. Go burn Trump out that man, boy.
Look at that move from guys, right? That's crazy, boys. The man is laughing, he said can't like that, though. Real thing.
That's more crazy though. That's more crazy.
And not only that, a 5-minute candle too. Let me tell you what, 3 minutes, 1 minute, man. Yeah, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 solid 1-minute candles, boys.
Crazy thing to see.
Anyways, half of that candle.
See the emotions in trading. That's what's lose money, boy. That's what's lose your money here. The emotions, boy. When the emotions start talking to you, start telling you, yo, what you doing? Thinking things. I always lose money in trading.
See, when you get through a couple days too.
Yeah, it's be like
that'll be the hardest part.
It's be like an addiction, and let me say is a alcoholic addiction, right? And you in a bar, you can imagine standing in a bar with an alcoholic addiction and not drinking.
Correct.
Everyone you drinking.
Yeah. Like that ain't true already, boy.
You can't left your bar. Look, your bars you drunk. Literally working bar though. You working bar. You're trying to kick you addiction to alcohol. I use a bartender. Like it don't get no worse. Doesn't get no worse. Use a bartender with an addiction to alcohol that you're trying to kick. It does not get worse.
I mean,
so that kind of discipline was rewarded in market. That was what we released.
Yeah.
Well, like it won't pull back down. Now it's pulling back down.
Yeah, they probably test here. Well,
Yeah.
see if everybody got there for you, right? Everybody got 10, 15 candle.
And now it met way is called an order block. So if price the bottom to that order block and give me a confirmation candle such as a doji or a small engulfing,
Yeah.
okay, the buy on. I'll take a buy on that. If it does happen to play out. Gold also made an order block.
You see on that, like a block for you? Cool.
Yeah,
I see what you mean.
yeah.
I see what you mean.
So, yeah, so you're looking to see if price push back into there. Give me confirmation to buy, and I'll tell you buy.
Let's put him, we'll put him back. Let's jump out of it.
Basically, not gonna go doing the same thing again. Last week, the American.
Yep, moving. Yeah. Seeing candles, yeah. Seeing candlestick patterns.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that's with a big hungry be up on. Ooh.
I can just wait till it pull down, man. If it don't take, you can't take no buy today.
Yeah, that's what yeah. Look, my everything, friend, too. All they do is do it for right here. Resistance level, my everything, friend. Cool. Let me see what happened here, man. Stressing to the Monday.
That's a crazy gap. If you definitely want to open Nasdaq, that's a crazy gap to fill.
Yeah, you know that for sure, boy.
And that's a crazy gap to fill.
Tap back up. Pull ready to move on Thursday. Thursday move. Well, Friday, yeah, Friday move.
hear what they talking?
I hear you.
You can hear what they talking?
Nah, I hear you.
Okay, talk. Hey, how the I don't like Mike.
But they didn't pay attention. They can't say I hear you. Go. Oh, I'll miss about saying.
I just want to make sure you ain't playing through the stream.
Yeah, not easy. Yeah, shut game mode.
Yeah. I was trading her boy here calling. A lot of people ain't get really patient with this year.
Definitely.
For the reward and guarantee every day, right?
Yeah.
So you,
People look us on 9 to 5, right? Yeah, money.
yeah,
You know it's sure money.
yeah. So people can look for that reward every day for trading. So you can look into trades until you get rewarded.
Yeah.
Gold bunks off the EMA and push up, but you don't trust them kind of angles there, boy. I think you break a high and close a peak, right? And play that you making a candle that close underneath and then getting back higher. Like this year, I don't trust this pattern. You don't trust this pattern. This pattern is be started.
Oh, you mean? I get you.
Yeah, this be started consolidation and all kind of foolishness. I would expect this year to pull down on it. Hey, if it closes right and keep going down, because you see like this candle here, the green candle, went underneath the level of the red one, and then close inside the here.
This for this what? Nuts?
Yeah, now go.
What?
You can't turn the candle. Can you make a hot dog? You want
Yeah.
so the way it close, I don't trust it because of the 10 to make 5 candle. That time the train
That was
all
it.
go down. You get what I mean?
Before it engulfing.
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
So when they see it engulfing, they can't trust the next candle that look like that. I look like spade trying to keep getting down. That's why I say would never buy off a candle like that. Even if it got.
All right, son.
My head trust, boy.
Yeah. It's about they playing strategy, boy.
Yeah. And the way I trade to work, Charlie, I trade like I leverage a lot. So I need to that when I leverage. Number one, the trade game my favor. And number two, that I could put my stop loss. Well, number one, a place that I could put my stop loss, and number two, the trade game my favor. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
Alright, watch right down. If I decide I receive 20 US, right? I never stop putting any lot season on. It's just my stop loss then be tighter.
Yeah, you stop loss. Yeah.
Yeah, that people is doing all the time. So is that I could tell myself, yo, I go on a small stop loss and I were saying CN20 or I go a big stop loss and I were saying CN20 is that what people is doing all the time.
That's true.
Leverage. Yeah, I could over leverage and still risk $20. So
yeah.
I always do.
Because you stop loss. Where you stop losses. I don't know.
That's like on a funding account, like, man. If we trading, life is got a set amount I looking to lose for there, right? Then I decide whether I trading a set amount in one trade or 2 trades.
Correct.
If paying in, my stop loss then be smaller.
Now we gotta come up with a plan, boy.
Yeah, that's how I trade it, man. Cause you know, listen, I only need 1 candle, 2 candles maximum, you know. Cause I know how unpredictable the market is. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
And you know how hard it does be to be on the right side for long. So especially trading for a minute chart, I know how hard it does be to be playing right side of the market for long. So it's be like I got that was given and I got what was given graceful enough that my mental capital don't get all set.
All set. Yeah.
Yeah.
That was funny. That was the better option, but you guys are gonna pass the phases.
Yeah.
Let's go pass the phases.
Yo, so no, this is what right? I was supposed to answer you. But you gotta be getting messages I think from them. So what is that you gonna meet on your account now? Every time you was on a 10K?
Yeah, we'll go up to we got mint 1%.
Right. I mean you pass the account, right? You pass the account to fund you at the funded account now. So percent you would have to met is what you're asking before you could put on percentage for a bill.
Right. I just got mint 1% then could withdraw. A little over 1% because then the fees and come out. So yeah. So then the fees and come out them and do this profit split.
Mm-hmm.
So I would say basically 1.5%.
Okay.
If you know, yeah, because when you withdraw or when you ask for a payout request, it can't obviously go below the
10%
total. Yeah,
right.
whatever account you got. If it's a 10K, it can't go below 10K.
Right. That way was answering. Because you know how to be a threshold level that you gonna carry out to first before the request, right?
Basically 1.5% that you can ask for withdrawal.
Are they seeing 1.5%?
Yeah.
So you get with me.
Right.
I won't do that though. I will highlight I'll be like, what I want that percentage will have my safeguard to know, alright. I will withdraw everything but that.
Yeah, you get it for sure.
Cause I would never
basically a buffer.
Huh?
A buffer.
Yeah, I would
it's called a buffer.
Who's a trade? Yeah.
I know how I feel anymore.
Yeah. I don't want to give myself at least leverage to lose. Although I won't take it, but I won't be there. Mental capital, right?
Yeah. We just go trade over here. We're retesting here right now. We got confirmation candles. I ain't really got no structure level to put my stock going like Joe. I gotta put on the on board. Oh, you know, top back into the man. So maybe I can put my stock either on the candle or on these two dojis, the red and green dojis, which is 10. Not 10.
That make you push up, yeah.
Yeah. True.
You buying Arnold?
Nah. I'm buying it now. You can see all this candle close.
You can take it out, $1.
Yeah, boy. Depends how you think how this candle close, man. I can eat again or just watch it today.
Me too, because I think personally that this candle closing too high for me.
Got a minute and 7 minutes, so you can see here.
He went hit you 21. It hit you 9. Is you 9? Yeah, it hit you 9. But normally retest level is come out in 21.
Yeah.
Then if 21, right? I used to have a yellow one there from my screen to wait to know what other fuck. Nah, I get rid of that. I'm rushing it though. I think market. Hold on, if we play the entry attack it. If I'm playing that, ain't cool.
Alright, so Tom.
I'm rushing it. That's why y'all come in market. Y'all even know because you know bias about nothing. I just look at what the market do, compare the strategy, and then make a decision. That's all I do.
See him, boy.
Yeah. See if the bomb I ran, or if not the bomb I ran.
Yeah,
You get
the
me?
real thing. You say that, but pull the trigger, boy.
Yeah. You clear decision that you're making, right? You can't just make it off of wins and what
Yep.
or hearsay.
Let's set up this one together, man. All right, do a G. I'm watching these higher type friends hold out 15-minute close. That's a second rejection. You might easily get on a little further. On board. You might easily get on a little further and then probably explode up. But I ain't see one.
The Nas 15-minute look. The goal 15-minute give you what is called
So, yeah, do it again.
a doji. The Nas one is an engulfing. The Nas no make a higher height. Only 15-minute time frame if you see what you're talking about. Goal make a higher height. Only 15-minute time frame. See what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Right. So what are you looking for? Is basically a break. Well, it break already. Looking for it to retest the area interest. Give me a doji confirmation candle or a small engulfing. Right. Saying like, all right, if you go on 5 minute, no, this can entry where you want to see here, no. A 5 minute goal. You see the same candles that we were looking at before.
Yeah.
Like a 10 or 10 candle and a 10 or 5 candle. One of them there. Them can do a
Yeah.
confirmation at the level. Yeah, to buy. Because the market do what it want to do there. Basically, if you look at it, it make a higher high from both time frames. And from both Nasdaq board, it make a higher high. So you just gotta see if it play out the right way. If it play out the right way, I can't trade it, or it may be trading into consolidation and foolishness. So that's just my theory on it. We until it come down low to make another high to go. But if it return at one, if it at one of these points here, it push up, I ain't taking that. I ain't taking that at all. That's too much room for error.
Why give me a morning star? Why to close? It's going to count how close up a bit more, and then when they tell out, boy, I might start with the only bit. That's the only way.
Which one?
Gold. Like morning stars are anytime like morning stars are good. Yeah, the pattern. Stick pattern confirmation.
Yeah, you see, Nas no bumps off the
Yeah, man, the bot, yeah. They want man too.
Yeah.
Yeah, gold ain't touch. Gold ain't touch yet.
He's watching. He's watching our monitor, man. What's it, bro? What's it, 21? But sometimes you see this album, man. Sometimes you see after a long candle like this here, right? I see consolidation at the top.
Console, yeah. It can happen.
Right, and then I see it make the decision how to push through. So it's no matter how long this consolidation at the top level can last, and I would just hope it lasts till tomorrow morning so that I can get a good buy. You get what I mean?
Yeah, man.
But honestly, right now, they doing things they can get a name into this market. Boy. The only thing but for Nas, they don't think I can get a name, but gold ain't looking bad still.
Yeah. I'm looking at Nasdaq one.
Yeah.
My strategy down going. Wait, we go down going for that.
They go left not.
Don't even go here.
But we're looking promising. So
Go do everything you want. So far, break, retest. Let's go let me confirmation candidate and enter.
yeah, if we get confirmation,
That's all.
like 21. If you confirmation like 21 is good, I still feel that was a falling knife.
Yeah. Hey, wait till this. I will close and see what's going on here. I will open it with the bottom of it too. Second, told you. Ah, boy.
I think they hey right when you attack a trade and hey you see it play out like you'll be so thankful and attack it like
Yep.
and then it's still it's turn over it's worse into weird. You just gotta do
But then it's curse itself, boy. When it go your way.
yeah, you curse yourself for sure. But once you can understand that's part of trading too, and then just saying that happening to you that you're trying to avoid. Yeah,
Boy, no going on touch the enemy. Bam on enemy.
you know, bounce off there for the first thing. Looking like it pushing through it though.
Okay, for God, respect it. If I do that, the next counter, give me an engulfing off of this here with that. Boy, put my stop lower. This counter up. Going on.
That was our money market. You gotta be patient. Some days you ain't get a trade that you get at 10 o'clock. You ain't get a trade at 11. You trade like kind of 11:30. So you just gotta be patient, man. Like, just do my thing in the market. If I see what you're supposed to see, you can get over it. The margin on it.
Yeah. Whatever you want to do. This is where most traders feel, boy. You getting? It's the hardest part here, boy.
Yeah.
You
It's
can
like,
feel
yeah,
it, boy.
but the hardest, I don't feel the hardest part is the waiting. The hardest part is the waiting before know if you can reward it.
That's true. Yeah. That's
But
true.
yeah, the human brain want reward after work, right? You get what I mean? Like, even if you do a hard day's work or anything, you will feel like you'll let me take a break, a reward. You understand? We got teachers out from primary school.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. When I do good work, gonna take break. When they get lunch early.
Yep.
Yeah, don't let you get what I mean. These kind of time limits and these kind of schedules.
That's so true.
Yeah. But what we don't understand, right, is that we who invent the clock, you know. When
Yep.
God meant Adam and Eve, God invented the clock. You get what I mean?
Well,
God didn't put a clock in the Garden of Eden. The human is who invent the clock. And we just live by the clock.
yep.
So I realize if we could type in living by the clock, living would be different.
Definitely.
Yeah. Just live by the clock all the time.
We put in these hours and all type of thing. Got me some brainwash though. It's crazy, boy.
Yeah. So we live it like we gotta live it like God given.
Yeah.
Only a
And what we
few
know.
great men. Yeah, no, they said only a few great minutes go there and conquer, risk everything.
1%, boy.
Yeah.
1%. Yeah, brainwash my school days. System is to keep me in debt too. Basic control, boy.
What you find about that is that you gotta turn that into a positive, because if you gonna borrow, let me say $100,000 from the bank, I play in say that you go pay back for that's bad debt. But if you gonna borrow,
Yeah, got good debt about that, yeah.
yeah, and
Rich dad, poor dad, boy.
yeah, the bank actually paying for your asset, well, it paying back the bank. Basically, the bank just give you a free asset.
Definitely.
It's how you deal with that, right?
Now they buy an apartment. You loan from bank. Right to the apartment. The person that live in the apartment prepare for the loan, and then you still get a little something off it that you could pay yourself. Now it's supposed to get simple as it gets, boy. I love this kind of clothes and golf and go. As always, patience here. Got other people buy all of these and two dojis at 1040 and 1040 for you.
You learn to always be up on a retest here.
Yep.
That's the purest form of trading.
Yep, I can see if it's for sure.
Yeah.
Sometimes they have the training they don't let you for sure. Sometimes they don't always retest. If you want to trade safe, you have to retest for sure. I remember that days you said that what 50 trades a day here.
Hey, see you send me that there on the double
Well,
student.
that let me laugh, boy. US 30, boy. I used to laugh, US 30 gold and Nas years ago, boy. I can bear small trades. At a point like you will come to top it up with 100 US here.
I just go up.
What? Any little dude, you see how level boy yourself. Going train lines and all type of thing.
You know this one is, boy. You know it. I thought I see you get one with a 200 ring. Now I know how that
Yeah.
brain, boy. You know how that video.
What?
I could get that about anything, boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now one trail, boy. Think about army laws is.
Yeah. So you tell yourself that if you get on like that again, you can always get what you just need to in
Yeah.
a row. You're going for that
2 in a
2 in a
row,
row.
boy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Real thing. They got that unrealistic TPs here. If they're looking at money, look, I can laugh no, boy. Laugh no. All right. And close it below the EMA, so that's still good. This next candle here tell the tail wood.
I see what you're talking about. You're using the two of these candles as a structure point.
Yeah. And plus the EMA is right there too, so.
Right, plus the EMA. So if it fall past there, you would call that a breaker structure.
Yeah. I'll call that there for sure.
Yeah.
But they will be trailing in the middle. I'm not listening.
Now they see you see. Now it's in the army is bumps off between one, you mean?
All right.
So you just went up and out there to see. So what do you know? So what do you know, Charlie? Just didn't give me a confirmation candle. What you learn to write is that if I get a confirmation candle, don't take trade.
Yeah, for sure, boy.
Once upon a time, I used to tell myself, all right, candle going in my favor, right? Like I don't want green candle, and I get a green candle. Take it.
Uh-huh.
But nah, not a confirmation candle. When I realized it was confirmation candles, big man. So yeah. Cause right now, your next candle could open up there and make a red candle straight down past the put in.
Definitely.
So, yeah.
Me that this boy it will go up to close. If you look at your morning star, it will go close above the night EMA. And even if it's better, it could close above this. The 1050 candle. And I will take a boy. Let's start with the below the look at this candle, you know. You might get do it here too. I don't know. Right there. Good morning. Good morning. Boy. The Barbados called it. You think you have a little way off of here? I really hold that count close, man.
I don't feel like getting a trade to deal with.
Yeah. It's still the morning start, but I would prefer it to close a little ways above the EMA. We can close above the EMA with that candle, so
Yeah.
I would guess. Right?
Got me like fear consolidation right now, right?
Yeah.
Fear consolidation. I don't think this market can really break out till this evening.
Alright. Yes, 7 I'm getting 11:30. Not 11:30.
I tell myself, I
I get to
call my
11.
mental capital to 11:30, right? Call my mental capital telling me, in a trade, but the trade ain't leading me telling me, yo, but you might see a trade between like 11:30, boy, just wait. So
Still looking solid, man. Right with you. Yeah, still looking solid. I guess if you had a close above here, that'd be nice. But you can't quickly count out areas. I put my stop below 11 o'clock Canada. 2. Here's only one of mine, so we're gonna see. And then close by the top. Oh, yeah, man. Oh, you sent me one for two, but it's like dropping out on the tongue. You think we had shot? Cause I can't close.
I'm scared of that boy. I don't know. You feel?
Yeah, why? Tomorrow, so,
Huh?
a lot go for boy and time like based on structure we break, we retest. You get confirmation candle. It's like a doji, but you ain't really a doji. I call it doji because the body candle in the middle. I got two long bits. Get doji, then the after doji you get momentum candle up. And break above the EMAs too. So yes, man, I'm stressing myself.
Yeah, I know gonna tell you tomorrow for sure.
Yeah,
Because it might be A or it might be B plus, but I don't know if
and a clean setup. Yeah.
yeah,
I mean, guessing so it don't make no sense.
yeah,
I pick up so be it, but
yeah. That trade hunting right there.
yeah,
That hunting for the trade. Yeah.
more than hunting. But
Tomorrow, man.
yeah, tomorrow for sure.
Yeah, see.
Easy. I still stop on and watch for a bit, you know? Good. Nice. Mm. Basically at the opening. No trades taken today. Okay, guys, no trades taken today. See you guys tomorrow at 9:30 for the NY opening. Peace.